everyone. Welcome to week 6 in our course. What I'd like to do is recap what you've learned in Advanced Word. I can say that we've done some fantastic things together. Number 1, we learned how to create templates. We learned the value of templates. And what we recognize from our work in this course is that we can create better efficiencies in our workplaces by using templates to quickly create and communicate information to others. Number 2, we learned the value of mail merge. What we realized from this experience is that mail merge can help us to create labels, also to send emails more efficiently when we're sending messages to multiple people and they're receiving the same information. We also learn the value of creating mail merge to create letters. One of our cautionary tales in this process was to understand how we could be impacted if we shared confidential information while sending out mail merge documents. We also reviewed how critical it is to check our spelling, our grammar, our mechanics, and our formatting. Number 3, we learned about the importance of hyperlinks and how they can be leveraged in a document to communicate information. We looked at it from the perspective of developing training for others and how to put those links, create links, and also how to embed links. And what we learned was creating a link that we name the title of the video or what we want our viewers to see. If we're embedding it, what we learned is how easy it is to embed the video so that our users can view whatever video or information right within the document that we're sending to them to review. So that was the benefit of that, and I think that was very helpful to us. The other thing that we looked at during that week was how to embed potentially other documentation, for example, like to embed a link to a spreadsheet application within a Word document. We also learned about watermarks. We had some very engaging conversations around the benefits of watermarks, and also we talked about the pitfalls of not using watermarks. And we learned that watermarks can be used to mark a document as confidential, to mark it as a draft, meaning that there are probably likely additional revisions or that others have the ability to make changes to the document. We talked about how watermarks can also be used to tell people that they can't make a copy of the documentation. So we looked at that, we learned how to use watermarks, and we completed a related assignment. Other things that we learned about in this course is how to add text to a shape, how to translate text. Let's say that you're working in the medical profession and you have someone that is not a native English speaker, but you need to share some communication with them. We've learned how to translate that text into the native tongue of the individual that we're attempting to serve. We also learned a little bit about custom photos as well and how to use those within a Word document. I think we've had an outstanding time learning together, and I think that you all have expressed that you've learned some very valuable skills that you can take with you and use in the workplace. What I would encourage you to do is to keep learning, keep growing, and definitely keep using Microsoft Word. It's been a pleasure to work with you all, and I look forward to seeing you continue to make those steps that you need to make to attain your degree. Thank you again. This is Dr. Henry. Bye-bye.